Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. It is on March 2nd, 2015. First trading day of the week and the month, and we had a really stellar day today. Now, our first trade, we really didn't have anything. This was an aggressive short on a break of a green 50 with order flow and momentum to the downside. The 15's down. Went down nicely, but I think it was in a very aggressive trade, and we didn't take it. Now, initially I used no gap range bars, and it didn't show a tick of a wick on this pullback, but there were a lot of traders in the room that got it. And when I've removed the no gap range bars, and now I see why. There was a tick of wick, and the trade went 26 ticks. The exit is on a reversal candle. So this trade took our first target out at +5, our second target out at +10, and then the runner was taken out on the close of the reversal candle at +18 ticks. So at 5, 10, and 18. And then this was a very, very nice short that I just did not get. The MA diff was 14. The distance from the modified 15 to the candle open was 4. And this should have been a trade. Very, very nice trade. The thing is, those no gap range bars, which I was using today, and will use today only, really does modify the way the layout of the candles look. And I really don't like it. And now that I've gone back to the regular range bars, I think it defines market structure much better, and we would have gotten the short trade if we weren't using those no gaps. And that was it. Then we had on crude, which we started trading very early in the morning. Nothing here. Now at 9:28, I saw this trade. This is a very, very risky trade. There's only a small candle body. Don't have background bias. You do have order flow and momentum. I just don't like taking longs with such small buying conviction on the entry candle. But this candle went, just flew up. Now I didn't take this re-entry because it was right into a pivot. This was really the best place to enter, but I just didn't like the market structure. Didn't like the fact that it was such a small candle body. But it flew. Again, another aggressive short on a yellow 15. It would have been successful. And then at 10 o'clock news just fired the market up. And we really didn't get a conservative entry into the market. Then this trade had a small wick for 9 ticks. And then this one had a huge wick. And we went 30 ticks on this trade. This is the biggest 8-range trade we've ever had in the room. Now we have a third target. Even though we take it out in a reversal candle, we have a final third target of 30 ticks, and it just hit it. So we took one contract out at 5, one contract out at 10, and one contract out at 30, our most lucrative trade. Now again, the no gap range bars did not demonstrate this one tick of pullback, and we got it. If you look here, the low of the candle is 02, open is 03, and the low is 02. So there was a 1-tick pullback on the trade. And then as we move further ahead, there was really nothing. There was this nice entry, another trade that I missed. Now this was present with the no gap and with the gap. with the regular range bars. A sideways movement right into the modified 15, a period of consolidation, and then a launch off with order flow and momentum right off support. That was a great trade for 18 ticks. And then, since the room has been closed, this is certainly a potential trade. It's a little more aggressive, but it's coming so far. It's right off resistance with order flow and momentum. That's a trade that I would have taken. Then you get the move down, you get the retracement, and the next move down. Now let's see how far the MA. Let's see what the MA diff is here. It's 12. It's still small. These are two winners. They just occurred after we closed the room. Two really, really nice winners, in fact. This one went $12, 2 targets, and this one went $9, 1 target. And that's it. Now on the Russell, I don't think we had a trade today until it collapsed here for some unknown reason. Now again, this was on news right at 10 o'clock. The no gap range bars did not set it up as nicely as this did, and I am definitely dumping no gap range bars. This is definitely a trade I would have taken. Even though it was 3 minutes after news, perfect retracement, move up for 11 ticks. This would have been a little bit more aggressive on the re-entry. MA diff here is 28. So that's an overbought market. Here's your trade. And now we're out of the room. That's a very difficult trade to get. It's a fall through a yellow 15 with no retracement. Then on the ES, a really nice setup. Now, the ES is a 5-range chart. By mistake, I set it to 8. This is the first time we've traded 8 in a while, and an 8 range from a 13 range. And mistakenly, I set this to 8, took a trade right into nothing, right into support for a loser. This was a mistrade. Again, lateral consolidation right into the modified 15, a launch off the 15 with order flow and momentum. This happened twice today. This was almost a 3-point trade, and I missed it both times. That's shame on me. And then on natural gas, we had nothing. There's really nothing to trade. Could have taken this trade. It was aggressive at 8.59. And then I took this long trade right here. It just went up a few ticks, went down a few ticks, and I closed it at break even. I didn't even put that into the net equity. And then after the room closed, this was a potential short trade, aggressive, but the 15 is just crossing the 50. This would have been a beautiful short. So we had lots of trading opportunities today. And many of them were extremely conservative setups, 28 ticks. That sideways movement, that consolidation movement right into support or resistance, it's just those are tremendous trades. So for the day, using the no gap, using the regular range bars, we're able to better do assessment. We had 4 trades, 3 winners and a loser. That ES -6 was really a busted trade, trading on an inappropriate speed. It cost us a lot. We had crude for +9 and +30, gold for +26. On the crude trade, we had 1 off at 5, 1 off at 10, and 1 off at 30. On the gold trade, we had 1 off at 5 and 2 contracts off at +1. And then on gold, we had 1 off at 5, 1 off at 10, and then 1 off at 17. The reversal candle cost us 9 ticks. So we had 1, 5, 10, and 17. Net ticks were 59. Net equity was $570 today on 4 trades. Auto Trader so far had no trades today. I mean, it's not liking this chop very well, and it's holding off a little bit. So that was our day today. We haven't posted a video in a while. We're off to a great start in March, and I suspect we're going to do terrific this month. So I invite everybody into the room. And here's the info. Sign up for a free trial to our live trading room. Go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you'll find a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, our daily net equity for the auto trader. I'll link to the sign up page for the free trial. I'll link to a contact us page where you can send us an email. Or you can email us directly at info@rightlinetrading.com, or give us a call at 1-855-765-6681. We are here constantly, and we're always ready to pick up the phone. So everyone have a great afternoon. Look forward to seeing you in the training room tomorrow. Take care.